If you want to add an email pop-up to your Squarespace website, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup step by step. Email pop-ups are a great way to grow your list, capture leads, and turn visitors into subscribers without having to send them to a separate landing page. And if you stay to the end, I'll also show you the most important settings to make sure your pop-up works the way you want. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website where you want the pop-up to appear. Once you're inside the site editor, look at the left-hand navigation panel. From there, click Website, then click Pages. This is where Squarespace keeps the main structure and marketing features for your site. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Pages menu until you find Marketing Tools. Click that section and then select Promotional Pop-up. This is the feature Squarespace uses to create the email pop-up that can appear for your visitors. Next, you'll want to choose the layout of your pop-up. Click the Change Layout menu option and Squarespace will show you different template styles. You may see standard centered modals, full screen covers, or slide-ins that appear in the bottom corner of the screen. Think about your goal here. If you want something simple and direct, a centered modal works well. If you want a more attention-grabbing design, a full screen pop-up may be better. And if you want something a little less intrusive, a slide-in can be a smart choice. Pick the layout that matches your audience and your brand, then click Save. After that, move to the Action panel from the menu. This is where you tell Squarespace what the pop-up is actually supposed to do. Under Goal, check the box for Sign Up for a newsletter. This tells the form to collect email addresses from visitors who want to subscribe. Now customize the Submit button label. This is the button your visitors will click after entering their email, so make it clear and compelling. You can use something like Join Today, Get My Code, Sign Me Up, or Subscribe Now. Small details like this can make a big difference in how many people actually complete the form. Next, click the Storage tab. This part is important because it controls where your email submissions go. If you want to use Squarespace's built-in email tools, connect Squarespace email campaigns. If you prefer a third-party service, you can link MailChimp instead. And if you want to organize leads another way, you can route the form responses into Google Drive or Google Sheets. Choose the option that fits your workflow best so you can easily access and manage your new subscribers. Now go to the Verification tab. Here, you can add extra protection to your form. You can enable a double opt-in email, which helps confirm that subscribers really want to join your list. You can also protect your form with Google reCAPTCHA to help reduce spam and fake signups. If your site gets a lot of traffic, these verification settings can be really helpful for keeping your email list clean and accurate. Finally, fill out the post-submit message. This is the message people see after they submit their email address. Keep it short, friendly, and clear. A simple thank you message works well, like "Thank you for subscribing" or "Check your inbox for your welcome offer." This little confirmation helps visitors know their sign-up went through successfully, and that's it. You've now added an email pop-up to your Squarespace site. Once you save your changes, your pop-up can start helping you collect more email leads and grow your audience. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.